taking my time, starting from the ground. You can break in a moment, but it takes years to turn it back around. Step by step, I'm coming back again, replacing what was broken with a little faith in these two hands. From my own dust, I rise up soft and slow, a little strong, a little wiser, more like the man I'm learning how to know. Like a picture coming clearer in the morning light, all the pieces find their place when the heart starts beating right. So I'm taking my time, starting from the ground. What fell apart yesterday is slowly turning around. I'm taking my time, building it right this time. You can break a heart in a moment, but healing takes a while. Floor by floor, but I don't need to rush. Some things grow in silence, some things bloom when you don't touch too much. Spring may call me onward, put the road beneath my feet, but the rest is in the choosing, in the will to still believe. 'Cause when the pieces fit together, the heart begins to sing. What was scattered into splinters comes back soft on a golden string. All the dreams I thought were over, all the colors I couldn't see, are slowly coming home again and making room in me. So I'm taking my time, starting from the ground. What fell apart yesterday is slowly turning around. Taking my time, building it right this time. You can break a heart in a moment, but healing takes a while. Yeah, I'm taking my time, starting from the ground. No, I ain't falling behind, I'm just learning how to stand my ground.